Superagency. What Could Possibly Go Right with Our AI Future by Daniel Crispin explores the complex interplay between humanity and artificial intelligence, envisioning a future where AI enhances human potential rather than diminishes it. Crispin presents a thought-provoking narrative that examines the possibilities of a future shaped by AI in ways that could be overwhelmingly positive. He questions the commonly held fears about AI, urging readers to reconsider the narrative that portrays AI as a threat to human agency. Instead, he explores the idea that, with the right mindset, AI could be used as a tool to elevate human capabilities and expand what is possible for individuals and society at large. The book builds on the idea of AI as an augmentation of human abilities rather than a replacement. Crispin argues that while many discussions about AI focus on its potential to disrupt jobs, economic systems, and daily life, these conversations often overlook the opportunity for AI to empower humans in new ways. He envisions a world where AI enables individuals to solve complex problems, improve their cognitive abilities, and accomplish tasks that were previously unimaginable. The key to achieving this future, according to Crispin, lies in creating an ecosystem where humans and AI work collaboratively rather than in competition. Crispin also delves into the ethical considerations surrounding AI. He acknowledges the potential risks, such as the misuse of AI in surveillance or the amplification of biases. However, rather than advocating for fear-driven regulation, he calls for a thoughtful approach that balances innovation with responsibility. He suggests that the ultimate goal should be to create an AI-driven world where technology serves humanity, enhancing lives without compromising personal freedoms or social equity. To achieve this, the book emphasizes the importance of developing AI systems that are transparent, accountable, and designed with human welfare at the forefront. The author makes a strong case for what he terms superagency, which refers to a future where human intelligence and artificial intelligence converge in such a way that people's capabilities are dramatically enhanced. In this vision, AI would be a constant, invisible partner in human decision-making, helping people navigate the complexities of modern life. Superagency would allow individuals to focus on the aspects of life that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and empathy, areas where AI still falls short, while leveraging AI's computational power to take care of more routine, data-driven tasks. This partnership could lead to more fulfilling lives, where people are liberated from the limitations of their current cognitive capacities. Throughout the book, Crispin is optimistic about the potential of AI to foster a more equitable and just society. He argues that AI, if designed correctly, could be a powerful tool for addressing some of humanity's most pressing challenges, such as climate change, inequality, and healthcare access. By providing unprecedented levels of personalized support and decision-making assistance, AI could help individuals and communities achieve their goals more efficiently. Furthermore, AI could enable global collaboration in ways that were previously unimaginable, facilitating solutions that take into account the needs of diverse populations around the world. Crispin's central message is one of hope and possibility. While acknowledging the challenges and uncertainties that come with the rise of AI, he believes that the future can be shaped by human agency. Rather than succumbing to fear or resignation, he calls for a proactive approach to the development and deployment of AI, one that is rooted in optimism about the transformative potential of technology. By embracing AI as a tool for positive change, Crispin believes that humanity can unlock a future where the synergy between humans and machines results in a better world for all. In summary, Superagency presents a vision of a future where AI is not something to fear but something to embrace as a partner in human growth and progress. Crispin's optimistic perspective invites readers to rethink their assumptions about AI and to consider how it could be harnessed to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. With a focus on collaboration, ethical development, and human-centric design, Superagency offers a roadmap for creating an AI-powered future that benefits humanity as a whole.